there, I'm James from Archibalds Porsche, and I'm here to show you how to reset your tyre pressures. Firstly, we'll come down here. All our vehicles should have a tyre pressure plaque located on the right hand side when you open the driver's door. We've got a couple of different options here. Is what we call the light load application, which is just for if you've got yourself in the front or a couple of people. And then we have over here, which we call the full load application. And that would be if you've got yourself and your family in the back. Two different types of pressures that we use, depending on what load rating you're running. All right, on this model of vehicle, which is a Porsche Macan, this is how we set the tyre pressures. We do it through the instrument cluster, so I'm just going to show you how to do that now. First of all, we scroll down to the TPM menu, and then we press on the click wheel on the steering wheel, and here we've got a couple of options. We've got fill info, tyre type, and full load. Full load is what we talked about before on the door card. This is if you have 4 occupants in the vehicle or a lot of luggage in the boot. We'll have it set so it recognises the higher tyre pressure. Here we have tyre type. This is the size of the wheel that we have fitted on the car. In this case, we have a 21-inch summer wheel. In order to accept the change, or once we've adjusted our tyre pressures, we scroll down to the 21-inch summer wheel and click the button. You'll then get a message saying no monitoring of tyre pressure system, in which case it just requires you to drive over 25 kilometres, and sometimes this process can take up to about 10 minutes. And then once we've done that, we should get our tyre pressures reading on the cluster. And now I'm going to show you how to do the same process, but on the Porsche Cayenne. This is the latest generation of Porsche Cayenne with the latest touchscreen system. The process here applies to similar models like Tyre, Panamera, newer 911s, etc. And the way we do it on this car is we go through the touchscreen this time. We go into the settings menu. We scroll down to car, and then we go to tyre pressure monitoring. Here we have a similar menu to what we had on the Macan, except we just pick what we want from here. In this case, we have 22-inch summer tyres. So all we do is we select the type of wheel that we want to use and tyre combination, and we just select it accordingly. We'll then get a message popping up on the dash which says the tyre pressures aren't monitored and we need to drive again over 25 kilometres an hour, and the process again 5 to 10 minutes to complete. And that's all there is to it. Simple as that. But if you require any assistance or need any more help, please come in and see us at Archibalds Porsche.